Flashback to 2024. Wow, a year ago. Seems like 10 years, doesn't it? I don't know if that's AI time or the way we look at things. But in 2024, with all these lawsuits having been on for a couple of years now about taking content and putting it into AI. So as this happened, obviously, the chance to license, control, and be able to create a business model with AI really became big, even though all the AI companies were swearing they couldn't pay for it. Even in all interviews, Sam Altman said, we'll never be able to pay for it. And that was the angle that they were building. But now with all the licensing deals happening, these companies who started, most of them around 2024, now have got their feet wet. Some are generating money for creators, others for really big Hollywood studios kind of level of production, $1 to $4 a minute. Obviously the $4 is the premium end, but that wave came because it was a realization that they needed richer video data, that they couldn't just scrape it off the internet, or a lot of it's on YouTube or various channels. So that wave of information also came with AI training, realizing the flat sort of 2D data, which is great, might be overwhelmed by video data and the ultimate goal of creating what's called synthetic data. And what I look at it as, AI now has eyes when you give it video, because the camera always follows the point of view of the person behind the camera, the individual observing. Now, another reason that this came up was because engineers were finding there were risks to doing data scraping. Legal risks aside, the reason that third-party data providers, like the ones I'm about to show you for video, are rising is they help mediate and validate and verify before that data goes in, and also has a record. So if someone has a copyright claim, there's a record of it going in. And that's where we learned, trying not to program it like a human making the code, but observing and wrapping the code and the reactions and the understanding around experiential data, which is what video is. AI gets to look at the world through your camera lens.